Good afternoon, this is Natalie with Discover Real Estate. I am in front of El Timon. I'm going to video another street in town today. Here we have Iguana Bar, Moonshine. This is the main street that comes into San Juan del Sur. So you come straight in through here. You have Moonshine there. You've got a little tienda here. The guy that sells all the paintings is always here along this wall. It's just an empty parking lot on the other side of the wall. And this is where Alamo Rental used to be, but I don't think they're here anymore. I think they have a new location. Across the street you have the back bank, residence, and a pharmacy that's open at night. Here on the left you have Big Wave Dave's, which is a famous gringo bar here, but now he's pretty much only open on like holidays. Thanksgiving, he does a great Thanksgiving meal for the Canadian Thanksgiving and US Thanksgiving. You have Aurora Beachfront real estate here. So here is my great billboard. This used to be my office, so we have a map of town painted on there, and I pay to keep my billboard there. So across the street here you have a new clothing store. Well, We Stay Lost, they moved to a new location, so it's I love their logo, We Stay Lost. It's a cool little place. You got a Mexican food place. So we have the paint store moved to a new location right there. There's Sur Tienda. We got T.O. Milton's here. It's just a corner bar. They don't serve food. It's just alcohol. But a lot of people hang out there. So you have FEL Bank here. There's a nail salon place. Just some small stores. In front you have social upstairs. They have a pool upstairs on the second level in the back, and they have pool tables too, so it's pretty cool. Here's a beer and soda distributor, and just some apartments and residential areas. I believe this space in here underneath El Social is for rent. It's where We Stay Lost. No, that's not where We Stay Lost used to be. They were further up here. So, and then these are just residences here. This is the Tree Casa in-town office where you come to get the shuttle. If you want to take the shuttle up to Tree Casa. I don't know what Casa Nomanda is. It might be a hostel. And then they have dumplings that they have at this little bar. And then here on the right is a convenience store, which is underneath El Social upstairs. Got the AM PM, which is underneath the bar upstairs. And then just some residences along here. There's some little businesses and stuff along here. Here's Francie's. It's a boutique store. It's clothing and just odd and end things, all kinds of stuff. You have a little bakery there. You have a law office there. So residences. This is a new dental office, Ocean Dental. So I haven't been in there. I don't know who runs it, but they just recently opened. And then a beauty shop right here. There is Blue Paradise, which is a property management company. These are just residences here on the right. And then this is Del Sur Norte. That's where you can go to pay your electric bill or request connection or something. Got a cell phone place here, Mundacell. for cell phone accessories and stuff. We have another cell phone place here for cell phone accessories, cell phones. Got a little store. Yeah, they sell paint here. Pan Francesa, that is a French bread bakery. So we have a French bakery here. It always smells really good in the mornings when I walk by, and it's right beside a hostel. So this is just a residence back there. Okay, here is a Chinese place. They do like fast takeout stuff. Another cell phone store here. This is like a Nicaraguan buffet. Get food. Here at the Pollo Mena, they sell fried chicken, so it's real popular with a lot of people. And then you have San Martin, which is a very popular butcher shop. Several places in town sell the meat from San Martin. And down at the street here you have the gas station, and then there's a Pronto convenience store right beside it. So, and then this street here is the last street in town leaving, coming out. So I will do the rest of that another day. I love my life. Come join me.